My name is Rafi Alam and I'm an environmental lawyer in Lahore. I'm participating in the climate march on the 20th of September because it's a very important opportunity to raise my voice along with thousands of people around Pakistan to tell the government, the state of Pakistan, that the climate emergency is real and needs to be addressed immediately. We cannot continue to fool ourselves into thinking that the climate crisis is the fault of another country and the responsibility of other countries. That may be so, but the climate crisis is real and will spare no one, not even the countries that have not contributed to global greenhouse gas emissions. Pakistan and Pakistanis need to adapt, but Pakistan and Pakistanis deserve better. We also need to advance our society and our economy, but we can do that in a sustainable way without exploiting fossil fuel resources. We can develop our cities to be hubs of learning and of innovation without making them huge guzzlers of greenhouse gases in the forms of energy and transportation. There are so many things that we can do collectively to make sure that our future is bright. So come, join me tomorrow at the Lahore Press Club. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon we convene and will march towards the Alhambra via Charing Cross at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Thank you.